In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get and find your Litecoin address on Kraken. I'm also going to show you how you can deposit on that crypto, so let's begin. Firstly, you will obviously need to log into your Kraken account. If you don't have one yet, you can just create one in less than 5 minutes. And once you are right here at your dashboard, you can search for Litecoin directly right here. So just search for it and click it. Now we are gonna scroll down and click on deposit. So once you do that, you will see some simple instructions. If you are new to crypto, I recommend you reading this, but basically you can only deposit Litecoin from the Litecoin network. There is also this small minimum deposit, which is like $1 right now, and the estimated processing time is around 30 minutes. If you want to make sure everything is correct, you can try sending smaller amounts first. So click I understand, and now you should get your Litecoin deposit address. So you can just copy it by clicking right here, and now just paste it wherever you want, or send it to the person who wants to pay you, or the platform where you want to send money, whatever you want. You can also use this QR code. So basically anyone can scan this QR code and they will automatically have like this address so they can send you money easier. So in my case, I want to send money from Binance to Kraken. So all I need to do is paste this address on Binance and just send money normally. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.